We'll guide you through how to erase all data from an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you want to go and have a fresh start, or perhaps you're looking to go and get rid of it and give it to somebody else. It doesn't matter. But by the end of the guide, you'll know how to get your iPhone back like it was when you first got it from the factory, ready to go and be set up again. So to go and get started, open up your settings. Now, it's important to note when you do this, of course, all the data will go and be removed. So you may want to go and consider doing a backup beforehand. This means that on a new iPhone, you can then go and put the backed up data onto it. There are different ways you can do this. One way is pressing your name at the top, going down to iCloud, and you want to go and find the option for iCloud Backup. You can go and switch backup this iPhone on and press backup now. This does require iCloud storage, so you may need to go and purchase more because I could upgrade there. Alternatively, you can go and plug your iPhone into a computer and back it up there and use computer storage with the Apple Devices app. We've got a full guide on how you can go and do that. So if you've gone and backed it up or you didn't want to, let's continue. Scroll down and find the option for General and tap there. Then you can scroll down and find the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap there. And then at the bottom, we've got Erase All Content and Settings. Tap that there. Make sure you understand that we're going to go and erase this and it'll go and sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. So you can see that there and go and press Continue. Confirm the decision by pressing Erase iPhone. Enter in the passcode. It'll go and upload data. You can press Skip. And then you need to go and confirm your password and press Turn Off to go and turn off Find My Activation Lock. And continue with the reset.